To work an increase, we need to work into the Tunisian knit stitch in the row below by doing a knit, yarn over, knit. So insert your hook into the next knit stitch and work a Tunisian knit stitch, and then yarn over and work another Tunisian knit stitch into that same stitch. And now I have increased my stitch count. And now I'm going to continue working in pattern, and then I will show you how to work that when you come to the return pass. So now I'm going to slide my stitches to the other end of my hook and turn to start working the return pass. So I'm just yarning over and pulling through 2 repeatedly. Now I'm to that increase, so make sure you don't accidentally pull through all 3 of those loops. So take it slow and just yarn over and pull through 2 like you have been. But since they are close to each other, it's easy to accidentally pull through all 3. Right, now I'll slide to the other end of my hook to start working the forward pass again. And then I will work all the way around till we're back to that increase. So here we are. And to work that increase, you stay in pattern with the 2-stitch repeat. So I just worked a reverse stitch. So now I need to do a knit stitch, and then a reverse stitch, and then knit stitch again. And that now I have worked into that increase. And continue in pattern, reverse, knit, reverse, and that is what your increase looks like.